baby, then just blink twice.
I do not just really like you. Hey yo! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So you all know the reason why you've clicked this video. So we're gonna react to BINI, Blink Twice, official music video. With that being said, let's see what's up. Peace. So on this screen it says, right, Cherry Town Daily, who will save us from the love. And I can see on the screen here where is this guy with his face shaped as if it's a monitor screen with some sort of smiley face on it. So I guess this is representing the blink twice speech, I think. This TV look as if it's old. It's like back in the days television. So I do love the creativity of these females. They're always giving us some great creativity, right? The creation of their work is always amazing to look at. So let's go. And every time I saw these females, they made my entire day brighten up. Trust me, trust me. Always look so presentable, amazing, dressed neat. Okay. Wow, wow, wonderful video thus far. It's gonna be very digital. I do love it, bro. I do love it. I do love it. Begin diagnosis. Okay, so let's see what or who's gonna be diagnosed with this.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense.
Oh, so I heard you got confidence. Baby, I got a lot of it. Baby, it's common sense. Okay, so this female is the one who's gonna be diagnosed. Guys, please, I'm begging, just take your time with this female. Okay, she's definitely a cutie. And I do love her voice. Her voice sounds like it's a rainy day, right? Pouring on the top of a zinc roof that it led you to sleep very peaceful. That's what her voice is described as, bro. Very peaceful. She looks so amazing here.
Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it.
Yo, I do love it! I love it! Ah! Nice! Nice! Nice, nice. They always give us some great stories, bro. I am not sure what are their inspirations, but their stories always slaps, man. Always slaps, bro. Trust me.
Cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. Like that.
Bah! 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 Harmoniously done! Damn, I do love when they all, right, synchronize their voices together. It's give us that calm, beautiful side of them, bro. Always doing good, bro. Always doing good.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice.
Oh wow. Well, I can't blink at this point because I'm being distracted by what they are blinking on. Right?
If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me.
I would have been here thinking about each and every one of you women. Because you are so good! Ah! Damn, bro.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
Whoa, whoa. No, I submit. I submit. Baby, don't be crazy. Come over and chase me, bro. Trust me, I would chase her to the end of this world just to seek her attention, bro. Trust me, I ain't copying, I ain't copying, I ain't copying, I ain't copying, bro. I ain't copying. These females worth the try. They worth the try, bro.
I'm at this spot, baby. Tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that simple.
I'm ready. I'm ready. So you're lost in my world. So that is explaining that you love me. You love me. You all love me. Okay. Okay. So if I'm chasing you, right, and based off of my chasing, and I get the chance to meet up on you, right, and you look at me and you stare in my eyes without blinking twice, that simply means that you are now lost in my world. Wow. Wow. I gotta say, I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Like if you like me blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to.
Whoa, okay, so okay. Baby twink twice. Or naughty or nice. Well, I can be both. I can be both. If you want me to be naughty, I can. And if you want me to be nice, I can. I can be both. Like, you can always think twice. Blink twice as well. Yeah. Like, definitely.
The dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me blink twice, he's not even thinking about me.
Well, I'm thinking about you all a lot, bro. I'm thinking about you all a lot. So don't you dare start to say that. Don't you dare think of saying that. Trust me. I'm thinking about you a lot. Trust me.
Maybe he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice.
I do not just really like you. I love you. I absolutely love you. Like, trust me.
If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe I don't.
Hey, I gotta roll that dice. Hopefully I can get a 6. Because you all know that is 6 rounds. So I gotta roll that dice. Hopefully luck is on my side. Hopefully.
Little spice, if you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me blink twice,
These females are so good at music. Very great musicians, very great artists, and also very great storytelling, because I can picturize everything that they are singing in this music. It's not all over the place, it's just in one particular order. Very good beanies. You females are always killing it.
not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Believe me, I would be there looking at you and thinking of you. I will do both. As I can do both, then hopefully you can do more than just both. Look at me, think of me, love me, cherish me, everything. Because you all know we are here for each other.
He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Yo, I love this video, bro. I love this video, bro. I love this video, bro. So cool, man.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Wow. 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 Very good beanies. Very good. That video was great. Wonderful story as well. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash the subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another BINI reaction.